Start. The case was made over to the special judge by the government in view of the provisions of the West Bengal Criminal Law Amendment Special Courts Act 1949, West Bengal Act 21 of 1949, hereinafter called the Act, as it involved an offence punishable under Section 409 IPC. The special judge tried the appellant for that offence and convicted him and sentenced him to rigorous imprisonment for 2 years and to pay a fine of rupees 2000. The appellant went in appeal to the High Court of Calcutta. The High Court agreed with the appellant's contention that no offence under Section 409 IPC had been made out, but held that he was proved to have committed an offence under Section 420 IPC. It accordingly altered his conviction from an offence under Section 409 IPC to one under Section 420 IPC for cheating the employees of the State Bank, Barrackpore, by representing that the bill for rupees 1,769 crores and rupees 1,763 cash drawn on October 6, 1946 was a genuine bill drawn by the sub-divisional health officer and thereby dishonestly inducing the bank's staff to make over the sum of rupees 1,000 to him and sentenced him to rigorous imprisonment for 1 year and to fine of rupees 2,000. It is against this order that this appeal has been preferred. The facts found by the High Court are sufficient to justify the finding that the appellant committing offence under Section 420 IPC. Learned counsel for the appellant has urged the following points. A case involving an offence under Section 420 CRPC cannot be allotted for trial to a special court by the state government when such an offence is not committed by a public servant while purporting to act as such public servant. The special court could not take recourse to the provisions of Section 237 CRPC, and if it could, the requirement of Section 237 CRPC were not satisfied in the present case, and that consequently the High Court could not have altered the conviction of the appellant from an offence under Section 409 IPC to one under Section 420. The ingredients of an offence under Section 420 IPC were neither alleged nor proved by the prosecution. The accused has been prejudiced on account of the absence of the necessary allegations and the omission to frame a charge for an offence under Section 420 IPC, and therefore the provisions of Section 437 CRPC would not cure this defect in trial stop. The appreciate the first contention reference may be made to the relevant provisions of the Act stop.